Joe over at Social Web Pros. I'm here at your GMB or Mike's GMB, and right off the top, I see that we need to add services, area of services. I know you're in San Diego, and but you can add other towns. I'll show you this GMB I just finished. Um, See all the cities in Ventura County that I added. I added all this plus more, and I also added the various services, and then I didn't see a section for the company's information on yours. Not sure why. You want to have this completely filled out to the best of your ability. Um, and Google likes complete GMBs. And also, you got to do some posts. I didn't see any posts. You can go here and do an update. You can do an offer, but they're not common in real estate. It's not like you're selling something like, you know, us, like carpet cleaning, a discount or something like that. So you just do an update. You add a photo of a client or a house somebody bought, and you put the photo, and then you write the post, and then you can always do a button to call, and they'll call this number, or you can do a button to learn more, or a book an appointment, depending on what you're offering. It's great for open houses. You can list here an open house, um, schedule an open house, and the information, and it's great for that. You can preview it, and then you can publish it after that. So you got to do posts every week, every month, depending on how frequently you guys have transactions. I would post buyer comments, buyer sales, um, anything that you can do. Photos of buyers getting their keys. I manage a GMB for Camarillo Realtor.com, and I do their posts for them, and they send me photos of open houses. They send me photos of new listings, of closings, and so you gotta just post all that all the time. The more posts you have, the better your GMB is going to rank when people look for you. Um, and once you have those closes, then have people write reviews like you have here. You also want to keep up on the reviews. Hopefully everybody is giving you positive reviews. It looks pretty good on the reviews. And then photos. You gotta add photos, videos um, of your listings mainly. If you have listings you want to post on here, you want to put a bunch of listings and videos of your listings. That's again, Google loves all that stuff, and they will reward you by helping you rank when you do all that. Um, so posts, info, and there's some good analytics here too. You can look at from time to time. Your website is another problem, another reason why you're not ranking. You want to have content on your website. This would be like a landing page where you send somebody just to look for a house, but this is not going to help you for your ranking. You have very little backlinks. This is your website here, Team Drew. The domain rating is great because it's attached to Keller Williams, and Keller Williams is pretty big in terms of SEO and on the internet. So there's high rating, but you have two backlinks, and only one is a do follow, and you have two referring domains, and so this is not really good. Your competitor, when I Google realtor in San Diego, if I'm looking for a realtor in San Diego, these are all, some of these are ads. Let's see, ads, and these are all ads. So what you want to look for is the organic these are all organic, but you know it's realtor.com because I use the word realtor, so that pops up. But these guys pop up. This is a pretty big company. This is a smaller company that has really good SEO, and I wanted to show you. They have 57 reviews, and they're ranking number 2 in San Diego. They've been around for, I'll show you, I'll tell you about that in a second. These guys have been around for 11 years. Their website has been crawled by the AI, artificial intelligence for over 11 months. I'm sorry, 11 years. And so they've been around for a while. It's going to be somewhat difficult to beat these guys. Their metrics are excellent. You know, they have their website. It's an independent website. They're not attached to a franchise. They have you know, a bunch of backlinks with 73% of them do follow, which means these do follow means it's helping them. It's pulling them up to rank. And their domain rating is also pretty good. And so they're number 2 on the searches for that particular keyword, Realtor San Diego. And so you want to look at what they're doing and sort of, you know, use the copy, we call it the copycat method, and you want to copycat them, and so you can rank. There's a ton of real estate companies in San Diego. The list just is huge. There's 10 pages here, so probably more. But to be number 2, that's pretty strong. These are ads, and then these guys are number 2. So you know, so you need an independent website free of KW because it's not doing anything for you. If you Google or if you search for homes, sorry, here homes, there's only 2 words. Another thing, you need content and you need keywords. A keyword for homes. There's none. Listings. You want to use words that people use to search. So if I'm looking for homes for sale, you have none. You're looking for I don't know, low interest rates. If I'm looking for a house, there's nothing low interest. You know, there's nothing but low. So you don't have any keywords on your website that are gonna help you rank. You don't have content, and so you wanna be able to let's see what these guys have. I haven't even searched them. Let's see homes. See, they have the word home 10 times. They have low rates. No, they don't have low rates. So Zillow, they don't have low rates. What about buyer once. Real estate, they have it 8 times. Let's see, Mike has real estate. No, yeah, yeah, 0. So you want to use keywords to help you rank and look at their page. I think I'm on their homepage. Yeah, their homepage has content, pictures, bunch of links, you know, of neighborhoods, listings of properties. I mean, it's a really nice website and it has content. And so Google likes content. And if your website's not fully optimized and has relevant content and keyword rich, it won't help your GMB rank. So off the top, you need to get this, make a decision where you know you either need access to this site and build it, or just get an independent site. I just got done building. It's not ranking yet. CamarilloRealtor.com, and this is in the city of Camarillo, obviously. And um, you know, I use Camarillo for the city and Realtor because people search that way. They want to find a realtor in an area, so they'll usually enter the city and the service, or the service and the city. So, you know, I built a site, uh, and I'm, you know, trying to get it to rank, and I'm just in the beginning of building it, um, and so my recommendation is that you either get away from this KW here, because even though again it has high authority, it's not helping you to rank. And get an independent website, or just if they allow you to optimize this and just build it right with content, do that. Um, I have a site here. It's not related to real estate. I built this one, and what you do is when you build a site, you can go to word counter. This is a word counter app that I use here, and I give you an example of what I do. I Because I know that it takes at least 1,000 words, and you want to do is highlight. This is the keyword I'm looking for: swimming pool cleaning company in Avondale, Goodyear, Arizona. Pool service. This is all keywords that I use. So if somebody types in pool maintenance, we're gonna pop up. Somebody types, pool service, we're gonna pop up. These are the keywords, and then content that's relevant, well written, grammatically correct. You want to write, you know, and add pictures so your website is fully optimized. And so you just use the word counter, you start typing away, and you copy and paste, and then it tells you how many words you have, and you should have at least 1,000. I have 1,900 on this one, on this first page, and then you should have 250 to 500 on the subsequent pages, and photos, and again, fully optimized. So if you have listings, just like this other guy here, he has this information, and he's got links to his listings. And so you just need a nice website, a nicer or a better website than what you have now. Again, this looks more like a landing page where you land, you enter the city, and it's great if you send people there, but if you want to be found, it's not going to help you for ranking. Um, it looks pretty good. You have all the necessary information in there. You have your website and your phone, but you only have 5 photos. And again, just like your GMB, they love photos. They love posts. They want to know you're still in business. And when you don't update your social media and your various listings, you start to drop in rankings because they think you're not in business anymore. They think you're closed, or they think you're not active. When you post all the time, it gives them notice that you're still in business, and yet you're active. So more photos, and obviously more reviews. The reviews are king. If you can get people to review you on both your GMB and here, you would have a lot of success. And so let me know if you need help creating a website. We have socialwebpros.com. If you want to let us manage all your stuff, we can do it for you. We only charge $75 a month, and just send us the photos, email them to me. We'll upload them to all your different websites and social media channels, and we get them ready for you, and get them done. Alrighty, let me know if you need our help. Thanks.